In this video, we will discuss simple ways to fix the QuickBooks Error C equals 47. This error may occur when working on payroll or posting payments to customers or when QuickBooks fails to find the required transaction. This error can occur due to several reasons like Number 1. Incorrect internet settings. Number 2. There is an issue with the transaction file. Number 3. Outdated QuickBooks version. Number 4. Malware or virus attack. Number 5. Corrupted QBW file. Here are 4 ways by which we can fix this error. Number 1. Run an antivirus scan. Go to Windows Security and click on Virus and Threat Protection. Click on Scan Options and select Microsoft Defender Offline Scan. Click on Scan Now and remove all necessary items. Number 2. Run Quick Fix My File. Launch the QuickBooks Tool Hub. Click on Company File Issues tab and select Quick Fix My File. After completion of the file repair process, click on OK and try opening your QuickBooks file. Number 3. Update QuickBooks. Open QuickBooks and go to the Help menu. Click on Update QuickBooks and click on Update Now. Select the new features you want and click on Get Updates. After the update is complete, reopen the QuickBooks application. Number 4. Repair your file using Stellar Repair for QuickBooks. Stellar Repair for QuickBooks helps you to repair corrupted QBW files and is capable of recovering the QBW file components. It is highly recommended by QuickBooks Pro advisors and consultants. Stellar Repair for QuickBooks supports all versions of QuickBooks from 2007 to 2024. Click on Free Download from here and take a trial to fix your corrupt QBW files and recover your important data. You can find the download option on URL mentioned in the description below. This is the main interface of the software. You can either browse for your file or you can click on Find, and the software will find them for you. This is my problematic QBW file. Now I'm going to select it and click on Next. Now I have to give the QBB, that is the QuickBooks backup file. You can use the last working backup you have of your problematic file. If you have it, then great. But if you don't have it, don't worry. Just skip it. Click Scan to start the repair process. This message confirms that the repair process has completed successfully. Clicking OK displays a preview of recoverable data in the repaired file. As you can see, that file data can be viewed and is in a readable form. Let's save the file by clicking on the Save option. Here, select the desired location where you want to save the repaired file. Now, click on Save. This message confirms that the repaired file is saved at the desired location, and the path is displayed. Let's check the repaired file. As you can see here, the file data is readable, and the QuickBooks error does not exist anymore. These are the simple steps to fix the QuickBooks Error C equals 47. Like and subscribe for more such videos.